الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد.
Down on the ground where the world keeps trembling, where the houses fall and the stars burn out, I was building life on sand and shadows till I heard a voice calling through my doubts. Said, child, all things fade like the morning haze. Your body, your days, every earthly breath, but I alone am the truth unchanging, the living one beyond time and death. So when the night tries to blind my vision and every lie tries to pull me away, I remember the one whose word is forever, whose promise shines brighter than day. God is sufficient for us. He is the best disposer of affairs. When the storms rise high and the fears surround us, God is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs. Oh, the truth, oh, trusty, carry me home. Before Him, all the weight I carried for years and years. Said, Lord, I've tried my best, but I'm breaking. I've labored in hope, I've drowned in fears. Then a whisper rose like the dawn on water. I am the one who guards your way, and trust your breath, your path, your future. I hold your nights, I arrange your days. And when the people say trouble surrounds you, turn back, now the danger is near. My heart grows stronger, my faith grows deeper, for the trustee is greater than fear. God is sufficient for us. He is the best disposer of affairs. When the road is long and the valley's endless, God is sufficient for us, and He's the best disposer of affairs. Oh, the truth, oh, trusty, carry me home. When the heart knows the truth, then the soul learns to trust. When the soul learns to trust, every burden turns to dust. Oh, the mountain may rise, oh, the night may press in, but the one who is truth is the one who defends, and whoever relies on Him, He will suffice. Let the heavens echo twice and twice, He will suffice. God is sufficient for us. He is the best disposer of affairs. When I give my all and I stand in surrender, God is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs. Oh, the truth, oh, trusty, carry me